In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I will show you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. How do I find profitable services to promote on Pinterest and earn commission, and so much more. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys how you can join Fiverr affiliate, how you can create an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. So it took me to earn this commission, it took me almost 2 years. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. Okay, I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting commissions, and right now I have $5,125 in commission available in my balance right now. As you can see, I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. And in this video guys, I will share with you the method that I'm using. So you just need to copy and paste, and let's get started. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel, so we talk about affiliate marketing and YouTube automation. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates for beginners, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so what you will do, you will put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, and you will answer a few questions. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to open Pinterest business account. Okay, so go to Google again, search for Pinterest like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and after you finish, and make sure to open a business account. After you finish, you will go to Google again and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this website, search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here. So we need to see what's products and services that are trending in Pinterest in this month. Okay, so we can promote those products or services to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, go to Pinterest trend, scroll down, choose which country you want to target from here. Okay, if you want to target United States audience, select United States audience, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so on. Okay, so let's take just United States and let's scroll down, and Pinterest will give you the top trends in United States this month. Okay, so those are the products and services that are trending in Pinterest. That's what people are searching for. Okay, so they are searching for quote and this celebrity outfit. So let me see if we click over here, if we can find some good services. Fashion, we have, okay, we have outfit, Valentine's Day, we have tattoo ideas, wallpaper. Okay, let's check this one, wallpaper. I will click on this one, I will click here and I will select just past 3 months. Okay, and as you can see, so this wallpaper service, the people are searching for wallpaper, and this keyword is trending. Okay, as you can see, so what I will do, it's trending in this month. Okay, I will just copy this keyword. Okay, and I will go back. What you need to do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click on the search for wallpaper. Okay, like this. Okay, search for wallpaper or wallpaper design, it's the same. Let's search for wallpaper design and scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. Okay, so what we will do, we will choose. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will design only home and wall. I think this one looks really good. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. You need to upload a picture about this service. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop like this. I'm gonna name it, for example, picture. Okay, picture 1 like this, and go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, I will go to downloads and this is my picture here. Click on open and here you go. Your picture will be like this. So you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So go back to this seller page on Fiverr and just copy his title. Okay, you can use his title, that's fine. You are just an affiliate marketer and that's what I do. Okay, put this title here, description. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Copy this part. You will copy just this part. Copy. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this part here, this description here, like this. Okay, after you finish, scroll down, click over here and you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board and click. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. It's super easy and you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, keywords related to this service. Go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, so copy those keywords and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, like this. You will copy this one. Make sure to use a lot of keywords, okay, because those keywords are very important. You will also use this keyword. I will go back and I will copy I will copy this one, go to Pinterest, put this keyword here. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title and your description, and we are promoting services that are trending in United States, as you can see in Pinterest trend. Okay, this is Pinterest trend in United States, and this wallpaper is trending, as you can see. Okay, you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for. Okay, if you want to earn commission. So if you want to promote affiliate links on Pinterest, start using Pinterest trend and see what's trending. Okay, after you finish, that's it. So make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links so your chance to get commission will be high. And if you have new Pinterest account, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot, your account will get banned. Okay, so you need to warm your account. After few weeks, then you can start promoting 5 to 10 affiliate links per day. Okay, but if you have new account, start just with between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day, and that's good. Okay, and stay consistent, promote a lot of affiliate links, and you will earn commission. And this is my method that I use. I promote a lot of affiliate links on Pinterest. I have old accounts, I have multiple I have a lot of accounts on Pinterest. But for you guys, just if you are beginner, start with 1 account, it's enough, and you can go good if you stay consistent. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.